pass the test? Can you sell your home for top dollar right now? Or do you need to do a few things to make sure you get the highest amount for your investment? Hi, I'm Natasha Ewing Johnson with eXp Realty. Let's take the quiz to see if your home will pass the sell for top dollar test. I work with a group of top producing real estate agents, so we know what we're talking about. So here we go. When you walk through your home, do you have curb appeal? Fresh landscaping, maybe even a bit of black bark, fresh flowers, plants, trees, new trim and door paint, or possibly even a new paint job. You need to hire someone who cares more about getting you the top dollar than possibly hurting your feelings by telling you what to do. Have you done the 3 Ds? Decluttered, depersonalized, and deep clean. And I mean really deep cleaning. Folks, baseboards and guff marks, cleaned up the landscaping, changed out old lights, and more. Is your lawn lavish and green or yellow and crispy? Yes, these things matter. Are the walls painted a neutral color? Have you patched up holes, painted the front door, and trimmed? Hey, red brick walls with mismatched paint does not qualify for selling a top dollar right now, at least not in this market. Do you have neutral carpets? Are they clean or are they 10 years old and have they been cleaned 15 times and once it rains and someone walks over them a few times, well, the truth comes out. This is not going to cut it right now. To get top dollar, you have to have updated flooring and countertops. Are your cabinets still the same from 15 years ago, or have you updated them? What about the lot? Does your lot compare to the 1.5 acre lot up the street? You see, all of these things matter. Now this is a big one, the smell test. Oh my God. You see, you don't realize this, but did you know that most people have a smell in their homes? Yes, a smell. I know it sounds super gross, but it's true. We love our dog and we consider him to be part of our family. But if I were to list my home right now, I'd have to free breeze like crazy or get someone to come in and get the smell out. You see, Rocky has left his mark in my house. So when I sell my own home, I'm going to have to make changes for me to pass my own smell test. What about cooking? Do you cook with spices that you're used to, but if someone else came over, it smells like fish fry? Again, that's a no-go. Have you truly compared your home to your competition? I mean, everyone, including me, thinks they have the best home on the block. And I mean, listen, I know that Granny and I spent 5 weeks putting down white tiles with brown grouts, and it was memorable. But this is not measuring up to your competition. So, is your home partially staged or fully staged with modern furniture to ensure it shows to the best of its ability? Or is the furniture so outdated that it probably will look better in the back of grandma's house? Hey, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just trying to help. When you look at the windows, are you looking out at your neighbors showering, or is there a pasture or waterfront? Yes, believe it or not, looking at your neighbor's butt crack or hearing them yell over who's going to get and pick up watch TV tonight is not quite desirable as having an open view or a waterfront. So I challenge you, take the quiz, get on a scale of 1 to 10, and if you're ready to put your house on the market right now and sell for top dollar, or if you need to make a few changes, P.S. most of us do need to make changes. If I were to sell my home right now, I'd have a long honey-do list for days. Connect with me and my team today, and we'll help you get ready to list your house. I'm Natasha Ewing Johnson with eXp Realty, your real estate solutions expert.